Air 1's got him northbound, high rate of speed, 415.
Alright, if you're in immediate pursuit, back off, let Air 1 take it. Yeah, 10-4, I'm just hanging back watching it. Air 1's calling it.
Alright, just make sure we're backing off. The ground units are backing off.
He held that gun to his head, guys, so make sure he doesn't slam into your cars while you're deploying sticks. Yeah, exit 41 to those units, don't get so close to them, we have Air 1.
Okay, westbound on 44 in the eastbound lanes. Westbound in the eastbound lanes of 44.
Guys, go ahead and the other two start backing off.
Okay, in the median, two trucks just try to block him in. He got around him though, still westbound on 44.
Tommy Dane, is that you in this? It is. Unmarked blue car, back off. Yeah, I'm just trailing. I got a dog with you guys. Alright, all you units back off to the side. Let Tommy 1 X-ray 10 get up there to be the first car in line, and I want X-ray 9 to be second. Everybody else back off. Air 1 has it.
10 seconds. 10 seconds, middle lane. Trying to avoid you.
I got a hit. He swerved at me, but I got a hit on the front tire. Be mindful of the 10, guys. Alright, Tommy Dane, I'm behind you, and Sergeant Hernandez behind me. Sergeant Dane, if he does fail, you've got the deployment. Me and Adam will stand by and cover you. Sounds good, thank you. Good job. Alright, all 4 tires are going down. It won't be long. Jordan, hurry up and get up here if you can. Let that silver Durango to get through. I'm coming. That's a gun he's aiming at us. Start backing up cars. I don't need no more than 4. Anybody passing by a silver Explorer, back off. I'd keep that inside lane open, because he had no problem pointing that thing at us. Yep, that's why Silver has to be behind me. He can back off. Nobody else behind me. Stop the track. 4 units will be following. That'll be it. You know he'll get the lucky round and hit 1 of you. Back off. Left arm. That, just take cover. He's coming through the gauntlet down here. He has no tires, so don't expose yourself. We're going to have to start thinking about the interstate here in a minute. Car 1, shut the interstate down and see if there's a way we can contain him in here. A lot of smoke, I don't see it going much further. We got a shield anywhere in this line? Yeah, I got one in my trunk. Who has a fire extinguisher when this thing catches on fire? Joel? Yeah. Motor 11 got one. Past the fairground, westbound, 44. Copy. Alright, let's slow that traffic westbound so it starts clearing out. Alright, looks like it's pulling over here. He's got a gun to his head, he's running. What's that?
Shield! 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 Give me a shield!
Shield up!
We got me? Keep eyes on. Keep eyes on. Put your hands out and do it now! Give me the shield. Give me the shield.
Someone get on front with evac, tell them to start coming up. Kevin. Secure your ship now. We got it.
I'm gonna go find a rescue. You good? Alright, go with us. Rescue right here. Hey, let me go. Come here. You okay?
Yeah, I got hit in the head with a ground.
With what?
With a bullet.
Okay. Set him down.
No, man, I'm good.
Hey, well, here.
Let me get my med kit. You got a bandage? Yeah, all right, brother. You cut pretty good.
Slow down, Louis.
Slow down. Here. I get my first aid kit.
What did you
There's enough there.
Did you cut yourself in the weeds or is that
No, I
shit?
got hit with a bullet.
Okay.
Alright. Here you go. Hey. My back seat is a big
I
bag.
need rescue here immediately. They're on their way. Right now.
Come here.
Just set him down.
Tommy, we're fine, man. I'm fine. It's
Just so it's bleeding down into your face?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
He's secure? Tom, he's secure.
Yeah.
Sit down. Where's your first
no, I'm
aid
good.
kit?
I just
Where's your first aid kit?
right here.
Here, turn around, look at me. Alright. Side this way.
Okay, grazed to the top of the head.
Tommy Dane?
Yeah.
He's hit?
He's hit. He's in the evac. He's good.
I love you, man. God.
They have one in? We need one.
I need out, bud.
Yeah, dude.
CO7 Air 1, can you land that, please? We need you to medevac a deputy.
Absolutely. Going for the fairgrounds.
Give me some deputies to lock this thing down, put the helicopter down. We want a medevac X-ray or K910.